study polymorphism here. Basically, the polymorphism refers to the ability of an object to take on many forms, right? Like polymorphism normally occurs when you have many classes. So we'll look at the polymorphism. So we'll create polymorphism means we'll try to implement the code with polymorphism. What is polymorphism? We'll understand with the coding. So let's create our Java file, new Java class, and let's type the class name polymorphism only. Okay, fine, enter. Here's the file. Let's say guys, this is, and let's also create the public class static forward main string x. Fine. Here we are getting error actually. Okay, so see, previously we were doing some different program like abstraction. Fine, we are doing abstraction. Static void main. Fine, yeah, we got the script there. Now leave it for now. Now we will try to implement different classes and the same method in all the classes, and then we will see how one class can really be can give a different output, can behave totally different. So let's say first create an animal class animal 2. Let's say I did animal 2. Okay, fine, and create a method here, animal sound, right? Just animal sound, and let's return some value like system.out.println animal make sound. Fine. Okay. It's not a big deal, right? Now what we will do, we'll create a new class and we will inherit from the animal2 class. So let's create a class doggy extends animal2. That's it. And again we will create the same class name, means same method name that we have created in the animal too. Okay, fine. Animal sound. Okay, and we will print the same thing, system dot out dot print ln. We are going to say uh, a dog barks. Oh, oh, fine. So you can see here, you can see the symbol also in editor. It's showing like this class has been inherited from the animal 2. Fine. Now we will create one different class, and again we will inherit from the animal class. So class, let's say this my catty extends. Now by the way, this extends means we're just trying to extend the catty class. That is, we are inheriting the catty class from the animal 2 class. Animal 2, fine. And again we will declare the same method that we have declared in the animal 2 and doggy. Animal sound, fine, and then system out of print ln, and here will say a cat says let's say meow, meow, meow. Okay. Now, so there are two classes. You can see here the arrow is showing upward, the red arrow. That is, we have inherited both these classes from the animal two classes. This is no big deal. Now, what we will do is here in the main function, we are going to create the three objects of all those different classes. So let's say animal 2, what object 1. Let's say object 1 is equal to new animal 2, fine, and then we'll create the object of doggy classes. Doggy object 2 is equal to new, fine, we'll create the object of catty classes. Catty object 3 is equal to new, and we will write a catty only, fine. Now what we'll do, we'll try to call the animal sound method from all the classes. So this is the polymorphism actually. If you look at it, all those classes animal sound have inherited. So this doggy class has inherited the animal class features called methods. So and here also you have declared. So you can say animal sound in the doggy class is showing different output. Animal class means the animal sound method in the animal 2 is showing a different, and in animal sound method in the catty classes giving totally different objects. So one method, one class means one object is showing different multiple faces, multiple forms. This is called as polymorphism. And so we will use the object one dot animal sound to so that then we'll load object two dot animal sound, fine. Then similarly we'll use object 3 to, okay, it's showing something else. Why is that? It's giving an error. Let's see why it's that. So fine. Sound is not there. S is there. Oh, that's why. We got it. Now we're gonna execute the program, and you can see actually we have inherited. So it should be the same, right? The animal sound method should display the same output for all these, but it will show the different output. This is the polymorphism, where every object has a different faces. Let's run this program. We'll select the current and then press this play button. We'll see the output here. Just a second. Yeah, you can see here animal make sound. The first one, animal sound. Animal make sound. Second, a dog breaks verbo means dog, sorry, dog barks. This is a spelling mistake, leave it. And you can see the cat one also. Cat said mouse mouse. So this is the polymorphism. One object showing the different forms. Here the method is showing the different forms. Fine. Thank you guys. That's it. This is what I wanted to tell you. And so now better if you stop it from here only.